So guys, I found these rollers on Amazon and I thought they looked really interesting, and I figured, why not? Going ahead and try to use them on your hair and see what the outcome is. My hair is tired and needs to be shampooed, so I figured this is a perfect time to go on ahead and experiment. That way if it doesn't turn out right, I can just shampoo it straight out. I can't chuckle. Gotta get it on there right. I just noticed they're different sizes. I'm getting tired already. I hate roller setting. Water break. Lunch break. One more section to go. My arms is getting tired. I'm hoping that these top sections aren't too big. I'm tired. Last one. Oh, thank you, Jesus. And some of these puppies on this side starting to fall out. I gotta re-roll them. Dang it. So I don't know how long it actually took me to roll my hair, because I took so many breaks and I got tired and stuff. And I don't even know how these things are gonna turn out. It might be busted, but we gonna see in a second. I'm getting ready to go sit under the dryer for about an hour or more, depending on how long it takes for these to dry. And I'll be back in a minute. Guess I'll start on this side. Okay, so that's a nice little springy curl. Okay, let's keep going. One of the busted ones. It's just as much work taking them out as put them in. No, I'm just kidding, because it took me like 2 hours to put these things in. It's a lot easier to take them out. That's proven to be too much fun. Oh, goodness. Let me stop. Let me get these things out my head. Finally, I got them darn rollers out of my hair, and I am so, so tired. Okay, all right. Okay, this one didn't even curl. I think this is the one I kept re-rolling, but whatever. We just gonna work with it. How do I look? How do I look? At least they're bouncy. Boingy, 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 boingy. I do like that part. Y'all, I'm looking like Shirley Temple, like old grandma. What am I gonna do with this? Hold on a second, I'll be right back. All right, so let me see if I can fix this. Ooh. Maybe separate the curls. My hair's looking so lopsided. This side is tighter and this side is looser. I think it might have to do with the fact that I was reaching over this way when I was rolling that side, and this side, I'm more right-handed. Oh, this looks crazy. This is such a fail. All this work for not even a cute hairstyle. OMG. I look so crazy. Is there any help here? Is there any help? Is there any help? Any help? Y'all, why didn't y'all warn me that this was gonna look bad before I did it? I could have saved my time. Let me lift the roots. Oh my gosh. Whew. This is not cute in any way, shape, form, or fashion. There is no way in the world I could wear this out anywhere. People would be laughing at me. Look, this side is straight. Oh my gosh, I'm finding so many things wrong with this picture right here. OMG. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I gotta fix this. I look like a freaking poodle. What should my next video be? How to fix this failed mess? I'm out. Love you.